In this video, I will show you how to get to the SharePoint Admin Center. If you are the owner of the organization, log into your Microsoft 365 account and click on the Admin option on the left side of the screen. This will take you to the Microsoft 365 Admin Center. From here, click on Show All to expand the navigation pane, scroll down and select SharePoint. This will redirect you to the SharePoint Admin Center, where you can manage all aspects of your SharePoint environment. If you are a user and need access to the SharePoint Admin Center, you must request permission from the organization owner. The owner can grant access by navigating to the Microsoft 365 Admin Center, clicking on Users, and selecting your account. From there, they can assign the necessary roles by going to Manage Roles section. If you encounter any issues accessing the Admin Center, ensure that your account has the correct permissions. Now, if you do have the permission for the Admin Center, but you are not able to see the option on the Microsoft 365 page, this is completely normal. Because to access the Admin Center from a user account, you need to go to urladmin.microsoft.com. Here, log in from the credentials provided by your organization and you will be able to access the Admin Center without any issue. Here, click on the Show All option on the left side of your screen. Scroll down and then click on SharePoint. After that, you should be able to access the SharePoint Admin Center from your user account as well.